how to download Need for Speed for free. If you want to download Need for Speed for free, this is the perfect guide for you. So let's get started. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Then tap onto the App Store. It's a big A on the front of the logo. Tap on it. Once you are in the main interface, you have to tap onto the search icon from the down right corner. On the search bar, you have to tap and write Need for Speed and select the top result. And you can see the application Need for Speed No Limit. You have to tap on it. In order to download, you will see the icon Get or iCloud sign. For me, I have already downloaded it, so it is saying open. So you have to just tap on that logo and the download will begin. It may take some time to download the app, so you have to be patient for its completion. Once it's downloaded, you just have to tap on it and you can play your game. So this is how you download Need for Speed for free on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.